Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to another session of Madina Arabic Book 1 series. So, in the previous session, we completed with exercise number 3, and now we will move on to further lesson of lesson number 1 itself, but learning new vocabularies. So, let's start. Bismillah. So, here it is written manhaza. Okay, the topic here is manhaza. Now, man means who. Okay. So, in the previous sessions, we covered that ma means what, which is a type of WH question, and this is used for a place, for a animal, and for any particular thing. Okay, like referring to a masjid, a mosque, a chair, or even any animal. So we will use what is this. Okay, what is this, what meaning ma. Okay, so in that case, in these cases we will use ma meaning what. But when it comes to people, when it comes to human creatures, we will use man meaning who. Okay, so now over here the topic is manhaza. Haza we already know means this. Okay, so the final translation of this question or this topic is who is this. Okay, and man refers, meaning who, it refers to people. Okay, it refers to people, and other than that we will use ma meaning what. All right, now let's start with this session. Man haza. Man haza meaning who is this. Okay, now the first question here on the right side, it is written man haza. Man haza. Now man means who and haza means this. Final translation is who is this, and the question is referring to the person here. Okay, who is this? Man haza, who is this? And the answer written here is haza tabibun. Haza tabibun. Haza means this. Tabibun means a doctor. Okay, so this is a new vocabulary for us to learn, to memorize. Haza tabibun. Haza means this. Tabibun means the person here is a doctor. Okay. Man haza. Man haza. Who is this? Haza tabibun. Meaning this is a doctor. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Man haza. Man haza. Man means who and haza means this. Final translation is who is this? Question mark. Man haza. Man haza. Who is this? And this question is referring to the person here. Answer to which is haza waladun. Haza waladun. Haza means this. Waladun means a boy. Haza waladun. Haza waladun. Man haza, who is this? Haza waladun. Meaning, this is a boy. Okay? Referring to the person here. Moving on to the next question. Man haza. Man haza. Man meaning who. Haza means this. Final translation is who is this? Question mark. Referring to the person here, answer to which is haza talibun. Haza talibun. Haza means this. Talibun means a student. Okay. Talibun means a student. So the final translation is haza talibun, meaning this is a student. Okay. Man haza, who is this? Haza talibun, meaning this is a student. Now, next question. Ahaza waladun. Ahaza waladun. Now, we have already learned that a means is, and this is a type of yes or no question, right? Hamza with the fatha means is, and this is a type of yes or no question. Okay. Ahaza waladun. A means is, haza means this, and waladun means a boy. Okay. Final translation of the question is this a boy? Question mark, referring to the person here. Answer to which is la. Okay. La means no. La haza rajulun. La haza rajulun. Haza means this. Rajulun means a man. Okay. La haza rajulun. So final translation is no, this is a man. Okay. A haza waladun. Is this a boy? Answer is la haza rajulun. No, this is a man. So let's revise again all the words that we have covered today. Let me use another color pen. Okay. So today we learned about man haza. Man means who, and haza we already know means this. Final translation to which is who is this. Okay. Starting with man haza. Man haza. Man means who, haza means this. Final translation is who is this. Man haza, referring to the person here. Answer to which is haza tabibun. Haza tabibun, meaning this is a doctor. Next, man haza, who is this? Man haza, who is this? Referring to the person here. Answer is haza waladun. Haza waladun, meaning this is a boy. Haza waladun, this is a boy. Next, man haza, who is this? Man haza, who is this? Haza talibun. Haza talibun. Haza means this. Talibun means a student. This is a student. Haza talibun. This is a student. Okay. Last, ahaza waladun. Ahaza waladun. Is this a boy? Is this a boy? La haza rajulun. La haza rajulun. No, this is a man. La haza rajulun. No, this is a man. So that's it for today's session. In the next session, we will continue with the next page, inshallah. Until then, do subscribe to the channel and press on the bell notification button if you have not. So whenever I upload any new video, you will be notified. Jazakallah khair and Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullah.